Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, the place where we dive deep into the world of data and cloud technology. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, our journey takes us through the innovative landscape of Databricks, a fully managed, cloud-based data analytics platform that is simplifying the process of processing large amounts of data to build enterprise-grade data applications. Let's get started. So why is Databricks so important? Well, if you've seen any of our other videos on data and analytics platforms we've released recently, you'll understand the importance of using data for organizations to be able to make informed decisions, drive operational efficiency, foster innovation, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Databricks is an enterprise software company that provides data engineering tools for processing and transforming huge volumes of data. The Databricks platform is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to providing a collaborative environment that brings together data analysts, data scientists, and data engineers all together to come up with data-driven solutions. To briefly touch on the history of the company, Databricks was founded in 2013 by the team involved in the creation of the original Apache Spark project. Databricks team aimed at enhancing the usability of Apache Spark, making it more accessible and performant for various organizations. The platform has since evolved to offer diverse functionalities, from big data processing to advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities, serving various industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. Over the years, Databricks has experienced significant growth, securing substantial funding and escalating its valuation into the multi-billion-dollar range, thereby establishing itself as a key player in the big data and AI market space. Next, I wanted to go over some of the key features of the Databricks platform. The first thing that comes to mind is the collaborative nature of the platform itself. Databricks enables seamless collaboration among data scientists, engineers, and business analysts. Next up is the platform's unified data processing capabilities. Databricks offers a singular platform for both batch and stream processing, as well as interactive queries and machine learning. Another key feature is the fact that Databricks is optimized for Apache Spark. In other words, the Databricks runtime is optimized for performance, providing a significantly faster version of Apache Spark, allowing organizations to process large-scale data and scale resources dynamically based on workloads. Another topic that I would eventually like to have an entire video on is Databricks support for Delta Lake. Delta Lake brings features like ACID transactions to data lakes, ensuring reliable data storage, as well as schema enforcement and the auditing to maintain data quality. Next up, machine learning and data science. Databricks supports the use of ML Flow for managing end-to-end machine learning life cycles, as well as many other ML libraries and runtimes. Databricks is also great for data engineering and ETL jobs. Databricks allows us to construct robust ETL pipelines with simplified job management, all within the platform itself. And then finally, one of my favorite things about Databricks is its cloud-native nature. Databricks operates across various cloud platforms and has direct support on Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. Just like other popular platforms, Databricks has proven to be a game changer across various sectors, each utilizing its capabilities to derive valuable insights from data. In finance, it enables financial analysts to perform intricate data analytics, facilitating fraud detection and risk management. In healthcare, it's used to analyze patient data, enhancing diagnostics and personalizing patient care. Retailers are utilizing Databricks to optimize supply chains, enhance customer experience, and predict sales trends. In manufacturing, it's employed to optimize production processes, manage supply chains, and predict maintenance needs. So next up, I wanted to provide a quick demo of Databricks. I'm currently using the built-in Azure Databricks platform, as it has great integration with other Azure services such as Azure Data Lake, Data Factory, RBAC, and so many other services. From the actual Azure platform, I'm going to navigate down here and select Launch Workspace, and this will bring up my Databricks. It's integrated directly with my Azure Active Directory tenant, so I'm able to log in using those credentials. as you can see here on the left nav, I have several options to choose from depending on my actual role. If I select the new here, I can create a new notebook using several different languages. So create a new notebook. And then as you can see here, I have several different languages to choose from. I have Python, SQL, Scala, R. So I can essentially just write my code directly in this cell right here. And then once I've written my code, let's just say I write some Spark code to load some kind of data into a data frame, I can then connect to an actual Spark cluster that I'd already created. So up here, Joshua Lefebvre's cluster, I can start and attach. This takes about anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute to actually start up. But as you can see here, I just have a very simple Spark cluster that I get attached to run these cells. And then I could run each individual cell, add additional cells, etc. Next up is repos. I can add a repo for Git integration and add version control for my notebooks and projects, especially if I'm collaborating with a team at my organization. As you can see here, I can integrate with GitHub, Azure DevOps, Bitbucket. So actually integrate that with the repository, and then we can collaborate, create branches, just like any other kind of platform like this. Next up, I can upload a file directly. So if I had just a small CSV or something that I'm working with, I could upload it directly. Or in most cases, I would want to actually add data using, and there's all these native integrations, as you can see here. So Azure Blob Storage, Data Lake, Snowflake, Kafka. And if I were to actually click one of these, so let's click Kafka, it will actually give me instructions on how to connect and read data from Apache Kafka into a data frame, right to Delta tables, right to a Kafka sync. So provides direct instructions right here. Next up, I can add a cluster. So obviously I already had a cluster in place, but I could go in, I could create a new cluster right here. I can configure its runtime, the worker type. I can configure the number of nodes, the min and max worker nodes. And this field here is especially important, the terminate after. So once my job is complete, I don't want those clusters, especially if it's a big cluster, I don't want that to continue to run. So I might say after 20 minutes of inactivity, let's power this cluster down. Let's save some money. Next up is I can run various different jobs with a bunch of different tasks. So I could say task 1, I could have it write or run, I guess, a notebook or a Python script or a jar. So there's all these different tasks that I could run in tandem. I could run this on a schedule. So say I have some kind of batch job that I need to perform, I could set that up to run daily and then attach to obviously my Spark cluster. And then finally down here, we have AutoML and model training features of Databricks. I'm not going to cover this in this video as I'm planning to have a complete separate video for this. But again, I just really want to point out the collaborative nature of Databricks, all these different features. So whether you're a data engineer, whether you're working in machine learning, whether you're doing analytics jobs, there's a lot that can be done here. It's a really, really powerful platform. So in conclusion, folks, Databricks emerges as a pivotal platform in big data analytics, offering a unified, scalable, and collaborative platform that propels data-driven decision-making. If you found this exploration into Databricks insightful, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe for more tech insights. Have questions or a topic you'd like us to explore next? Leave a comment below. This is Josh from Leftware Solutions, your cloud and data partner, signing off.